Oh, man, no. Ah. Oh, damn, I'm tripping. My shit. Hurry up. Go, look at Jonathan's pussy ass. Jonathan, throw it in there.
He's hiding behind the tree.
Let you do it. Ah, Jonathan. Pick it up and throw it in there. Wow. That was lame.
That was cool, but then everybody didn't know that. Oh, wait.
I didn't go.
It's so cool, like, I'm videotaping people. When I videotape the fire, it focuses on the fire, like,
yeah.
You see?
Yeah, solo.